Yeah, I probably will. Let's go ahead and cut it here and down, put a little piece in there. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna concentrate on getting the rust holes patched, and judging by how long it took last night, I think we'll be good if we get that done. Other than that, oh, you can hear kids are outside. One was upset. I think she needs a tissue. Anyways, get that patched, and hopefully if we have enough time we may start sanding down the this area a little bit more through here and getting it ready, because I like to paint that as well when we paint the dash, or when we paint this under here. But I am gonna have to grind this down here, because didn't want to burn through welding real well, because there's some kind of black coating on this and almost caught fire. So grind this back down a little bit. We may uncover more, and we'll just start patching. That's all I got planned today. I figure hopefully next time we can just do a day of painting and paint the back of the dash and all that there, hopefully. But enough talking. Let's get y'all set up, and we'll start cutting out, grinding, and welding again. Well, the GoPro died again. I don't think y'all got to see me cut it, but we got it patched. I'm gonna keep the hole like that. I know it looks bad, but I think it'll be all right. We got a crown a little bit back here, but surprisingly all the holes welded up pretty good. I'm just gonna clean this one off pretty good and not mess with it because I'm tired of, I know it's gonna blow through all the way down. I don't know. I'm gonna take a chunk of it out. Yeah, I probably will. Let's go ahead and cut it here and down and put a little piece in there. But I am gonna take the, get a new wire wheel for that thing. And we're gonna go in through this again, really aggressive and make sure we get all that rust out as much as we can get. And on this side too, which this side's not bad. And then hopefully next time we get this patched here, get a new wire wheel, go through that. Then we could paint this, paint the dash back here, and then let it dry for a day or two, and then we could put the dash back in. At least that's my goal. But at least we got all the holes plugged. Not too terrible, but not the best either. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, kind of short video, but at least we got the rust and rot taken care of in the up here. And I think we're good to go to paint and install the dash back where it goes. Anyways, like I said, I'm doing, if we get 50 more subscribers, I think I'm 457 now, so we're steadily going up. When we get 500 before the end of March, I'll eat world's hottest chocolate on live camera, and kind of celebratory getting halfway to 1,000, which is mind-blowing to me. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.